Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you few of some basic set of commands which are dir. Not only just dir, we are going to talk about mkdir and chdir and rmdir. All of these other commands has a short version. For rmdir it is rd, for chdir it is cd, and for mkdir it is md. So I'll keep it in title so we have a kind of idea what we are going through. So first of these commands is a dir, which is used to get a view of the current directory. So it will list down all the available files and folders of the of this directory. If this command is executed without any argument, you can check it help through the dir /?. So as this describes, without specifying a path, we get the directory's view of the current directory. So if we kind of put dir-d, if we just specify the D drive, then it will list down what is available on the the D drive, all the folders as well as the files inside that. So if we want to see all the subdirectories as well, we can put dirs. So it will list down all the subdirectories. Since it takes a long time to put that means render all the subdirectories, I press Ctrl C to stop that. And if you just want a kind of a wide list, you can go with the dirw. It will list down all the directories without the date, time, just as kind of a file name. If it is a directory, it will come with square brackets. Otherwise, it is just come as a normal extension. If you want this behavior to be the default of dir, there's a way of doing that. And there are a lot of dir related commands you can see in here. That means every time if you're going to put these to the dir, it makes no sense. So there's a better way of doing that. That is by kind of setting it an environment variable, setting all these things in the environment variables, which is in this case it is said dir cmd environment variable. So if we set dir cmd, then these commands will be options will be available for the dir command every time it executes. So we are going to do with the w. So now if we just press the dir without a /w option, now it works as the same, because this environment variable is used in the case of using the dir. So that was a nice use of dir. So this is what dir do. So next command I'm going to talk about is the mkdir, which is used to create directories. Here we can create a directory called A. Inside that we can create a directory called B, and there we can create a directory called C. So if you want to go inside, if we kind of tree A, then it will list down the structure of the A directory structure. Now there's a directory called B inside A, and there's a C inside B. So this is the basic functionality of mkdir. Other than going with this 5-letter command, you can use the 2-letter command called md, which do the same thing. So the next thing is chdir. But those who are familiar with the command console already know that the cd command, which is the shorthand version of this command. I'll go with the chdir in the first instance. Now I can go inside a directory in here. It was kind of a relative positions, so it will go inside this A directory. And if you want to go inside the B directory, you can go inside the B directory. So like this we can navigate through using chdir, which means change directory. So if you want to move back, the thing we have to do is we use these two periods, which resembles the parent folder, and the single period resembles the current directory. So let's move to the parent and again move to the parent. So that's what the chdir does. And if you click on cd without any argument, it will show the path of the current directory. Now the last one, rmdir, which is used to delete directories. So let's try to delete the folder A structure we have created. It says that directory is not empty, and it is the kind of keep itself away from deleting that. So if you just want to delete without any question, you have to put /s and /q options attributes, then it will remove it permanently. And one thing you have to remember is what you deleted through this rmdir, which will not go to the garbage garbage bin, it will just delete it from the hard drive. So be careful when using that. And another thing is, if you are kind of deleting a huge file, deleting through the GUI is somewhat taking a lot of time. But if you just want to delete it permanently without any hesitation, what you have to do is use rmdir, which is much more quicker than the delete version of the GUI. So that is the rmdir command. Now it has been deleted, the directory A. We can check it. Let's say that if you want all the directories starting from A, all the files, so you can see now there's no folder called A. And those are the dir commands, just the dir, mkdir, chdir, and rmdir. And thank you all for watching this video.